Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay. Coastal waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 20 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Ship John Shoal Light to 8 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations of tactics include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bag Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Bowers Beach, Cape May Point, Mile Light, Ship John Shoal Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Fort F Beach, Sea Breeze, and Cross Ledge Light.